Abusa comedian so Mahama so ye hyepa yi. Opa na so ye hyepa na so ye hye wo Ghana ha sinu obi a oni ato forcing. Mahama ne ato forcing. O ma so ye hye. Pa. Ni nyina say abusa 6 months in office. Ghana ye ka ye de no. Increase by $10 billion. Increase by $10 billion. Just Mahama ne ato forcing. O ma 6 months pe. O ma bobosia $10 billion. Ye be kan wasem. Ana vez Rebecca dollar ni series ensem no. Bloomberg SR the update about mutiremu currently no. Cedi is the worst performing currency in the whole world. Ebe kan so ho asem. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was say need you. Obe like if video no other my subscribe button, some click notification icon for latest updates. Some better wa adwen dia ba me. E wo comments. She mess was so baso a. No wa share video mo for so enya bi ahwe. Let's start with Cedi. Say we are. Na boja ina da ko wie Mahama eka wabebo Ghana just 8 months in office. Now verse message chiro Ghana mpanimfo every 1990 ebesi ene Ghana yaka ye die nyina na chiro amount of money a president bia abo every JJ Rollins also edibesi current government Mahama so bosia mampanyin bia obetra Ghana konwa so wabo no maybe in terms of video a documented video share ema obi enya benhwe. Let's start with dollar. Oba kia busia ye ko 24 election na de ba ko a Ghana for result to abapa exchange rate. Ni nyina ye gina asem aba o mi akwa kan 2016 ye ko campaign or no alekwa kan nsem se when the fundamentals are weak the exchange rate will expose you. Okay, that's na Cedi to dollar for equivalent to 4 cedis 35 pesos. Now exchange rate kan was ni nyina play role ema 2024 election akwa ni hu vote turn out no. Square be now Eddie before 2 TMPP boom. Kwega say massa. But me na kan asem on a vice president. When man keep dollar under control they are only here Ghana 18. I'm for gina so. Edit to abetia MPP. Eh Mahama Gideon mo to my what say metwi bi kan se metwi bi da. Kan metwi bi da. Etimi minim kwan so minim so sene ba omi a. Tell mo first year de mame. Etimi Mahama ba gi stia no. Etimi Mahama egi se na dollar to Cedi. 40.45. Say me ka kire una. Emu na say e ko soro. That is nsemu and the kwaya koduru 15 enyina and mame fa nko kire kakra obeka ya 2019 ana under MPP Cedi to dollar was the best performing currency in the world na MPP for agent monyam ana update bi eba say Bank of Ghana is trying to inject $800 million to support Ghana's economy just omund twasika bia begum $800 million na edna ba boa Ghana economy is Cedi 7 nya hodene emu na to for begas wo masa munyai if you don't know how to run the economy munyai say mu twesika gum na mo bo man na pu just say mu cause of man great harm.
Surprise that in the minister's statement he failed to alert all of us that he has encouraged the Bank of Ghana to print new money worth 22 billion Ghana cedis only for us to see it in this document, and you can see it in the media review document page 97, Appendix 2A. And the Bank of Ghana, they have printed 22 billion and 48 million Ghana cedis. 22 billion and 48 million Ghana cedis, new money that they have printed, without approval of Parliament, without informing all of us. This is illegal. It is against the Bank of Ghana Act. And I want to urge the governor of the central bank that he has engaged in an illegality, gross illegality. And in future, if he's asked to print money, he should first come to Parliament first before he acts. But in the meantime, I'm surprised that our minister responsible for finance failed to talk about it. So what he did today is a nullity. He should come back again and deliver a new media review. Because this is material. It is, in fact, perversive. For a minister to omit the fact that they have taken 22 billion Ghana cedis from the central bank is perversive. I cannot accept it. It is scandalous, and he should have, at least as part of his statement, mentioned to us. Apparently, it is hidden in the appendix 3A. So if you do not have an eye or you don't have a spectacle like I have, then it means you will see it. Appendix 2A. I am saddened.
Emmanuel Mahama Ekebi. What I say? But later, anybody Cedi no against the dollar. Cedi is the best. Cedi is the best performing currency in the world in 2019. Emma MPP under Akufo-Addo edge that animonyam no. Ejade Mahama tena kunya so 10th January, exactly 10th January. Ana Bank of Ghana etu sika begum. The Bank of Ghana injected $2.8 billion ebegu Ghana's economy say bia eno ba support Cedi na ho odene. Eno ampeke gold board. Yes, me demfi edinka be ka ense wo mu say every week biano gold board will also inject $250 million to support Ghana's economy, to support the strength of the city. Yeka economy are the strength of the city. It ombe injected $250 million. Gold board it says kaba support Ghana cities no. Ombe to agumu na abe support meaning say every month biano gold board will support the country with $1 billion just to stabilize the cedi, just to stabilize the dollar against the cedi. What I say? Next that time so no, na Bank of Ghana so to be gum enti tungumu ne de entungumu na out of force any abre blast Akufo-Addo for that. No, obugorumu ya the west because you don't try to just you don't talk 7th January 3 days and I'm told 2.8 billion egumu. 8 May mu 6 May ana Bank of Ghana SR2 $490 million egumu. And then July Bank of Ghana SR2 $1.4 billion egumu. Enum na sema Cedi no ebenya ahoden dey start say 80 from 15.75 ebaya be through 10 Cedi 30%. Cedi ni nya ahoden ma na so wabodam aso anom tramo obi anom red Cedi nya ahoden pa against the dollar. Emma be afi bia dey ato is forcing. Ato is forcing. Mahama memo ye dollar na perform bibia ye but then ma boda so dia da na da. Enema bo baby na da dokono 5 Cedis na na to dokono. What is it? Calipo 5 Cedis na na to no cause we have 3 Cedis. Just baby na da but na dollar de. Dollar ho de sem na form na dollar ba form. Ba na nipa complaints massa dollar na ba form ebegu adwuma any ade it Mahama crackers any dollar no they will be pegging the dollar between 12 Cedis and 10 Cedis. It means say the highest pointer dollar bit waka koduru 12 Cedis entra 10 12 point there be the highest point 12 entra 12 Cedis it omo dey control go now omo yet say omo dey go Mahama crackers say gold board no and support dollar ni Cedi gold board and support Cedi na Cedi nya ahoden against the dollar it omo dey control ato and they control dollar no it they will keep the dollar under control. They will manage it very well. Women say above below 10, be high. They will be keeping it between 10 and 12. Enter 12. And go beyond and go below 10. It will be keep on a whole Emma Ghana for you yet. I say energy abefie. Emma a more kai. About 3 months ago, no June, July, no Bloomberg every year update. Emma Bloomberg has Cedi is the best performing currency in the whole world. Emma from there any media na be so yenya so. Me fa bia Mahama is the hope. He give you an akwenkwen. Baby aye de open ebo adwuma. What I say? No more celebrate open na. E we say enu wache we dollar start question kakra. Dollar start question kakra. Dollar start question kakra. As I'm speaking to you now, we say dollar to Cedi rate. And next Thursday, 4th September 2025, dollar to Cedi. As of 3:11 p.m., I'm recording video with dollar to Cedi. As I pass 12 Cedis now, Mahama can say they will be pegging it between 12 and 10 dollar atra a hodemo. Ama akwa kudru 12 Cedis 6 pesos. Ama now and ye Bloomberg echiremwa. Where we are seeing Sika Semwa, Cedi is the worst performing currency. In fact, Sika enye Sika enya hode bienu. Sika eni samai Cedi. E we are seeing na Sika hode nim sesi according to Bloomberg. Cedi. Na bekai 2019. Abra. Obekai 2022. Cedi no ahode sem eba from another na kosoro Bloomberg eka say oh now no Ghana Cedi no any the worst performing currency in the world. Emma hono Mahama kura ebe shedi Akufo-Addo.
Unfortunately, in Africa, in Ghana, we have taken over the mantle of the worst performing currency. Not only in Africa, the world.
It's a one of the Mahama question say Mahama. Bloomberg at the update about 2022. Now when you actually shedi Akufo-Addo government. 80 now no I will tell kunya so. Bloomberg as actually say currently Cedi is the worst, in fact the worst performing currency in the world. Edi asem ana Mahama oka edi farm. Wey aye question is Ghana friend ebisa Mahama ene ato force. Now let's go to Ghana eka ye there. Abusia. So we say ye go 24 election mo no. Ye can never da Ghana for nyina tim say Kufra ba pro kegu ho. Kufra ba boka etina echobi atiri say Ghana ka ye die nyina no. Ye Kufra be boto ho no. President bia mobosia. Ya come am to Ghana for nyina trimu say che say Akufo-Addo president a Ghana ka ye bodini $1 billion nyina ono nkwa betnans ana wa bro that ekade nyina Mahama can say oh no how we see generating money in the system without even introducing new taxes at force and carasem say omunim how o be generating revenue in the country without cause the tax ebeba. It's like we were not expecting anything like borrowing say you kwa jebosi because even tax run in him say or my business car a taxpayers able to tax but at of one on him say onim sa say it all make you be a tax it no make you be a tax and say bosia de tinton time to etwa that we say interestingly as of June 2025 Ghana ye car ye dear your public debt. I am quoting the figures in dollars. Kwaje in dollars. You could in dollars. You in cedis. As of June 2025, Ghana ye kaya dear no. I'll go through $59 billion. Now $59 billion we know. Say Anna president be a boy. As of 2000, na kofo eba betena kunya ne so. Na Ghana ye kaya dear $6.74 billion. That is $6.740 billion. Na Ghana ye ka ye de edono. As of bra na kofo ba betena Ghana kunya so. Ana kofo na de ba we 2008. As of December 2008, kofo betena 8 years over Ghana kunya so. Na Ghana eka ye de akodru $8.70 billion. That's a calculation now. That's a kofo betena kunya so 8 years no. Kofo bo bosia $1.3 billion. And a can Ghana ye ka ye don. 8 years. And Atamis ebeje 2008. Atamis ebeje 2008 no. Ofra kunya so 2012. 2012 Atamis sebi owuye October mu etino we trying 4 years na wiya nesa. As of 2012 December, na Ghana ye ka ye de are rising up to $19.15 billion. $19.150 billion. All the figures are in dollars. Naturally, say oya calculation in a year. Na say Atamis nkwa within 4 years, ebo bosia $11.80 billion. $11.80 billion. Yentu aso. That is figure Atamis every 2012 na eka Ghana baby abeduro no. Ana Mahama beji free Atamis 2012. Mahama so every Ghana konya so 2016 as of December 2016. Mahama every Ghana konya so. Na Ghana ye ka ye de arise up to $29.23 billion. $29.23 billion. No do got it free. As of Atamis 10 Atamis na ye 19.15. In 2029.23. Next, Mahama so betena Ghana kunya so 4 years peno. 2012-2016 4 years peno. Mahama ebo obosia $10.80 billion. Next, ekano abeda 29.23. Cost because the obi abobian ebeka ho. It cost. Ana Mahama free 2016. Ana Akufo-Addo ebetena so 2020 from 2016 out to 2024. In 2024, Akufo-Addo every Ghana kunya so no. na Ghana yeka yede are rising up to $49.4 billion. $49.4 billion. Nese o kambo mutiti free ma. Eti Mahama Efris na eda 29.23. Ekufad Efris so abeda 49.4. Nese 8 years no. Ekufad aban ebo bosia $20.17 billion. 8 years. $20.17 billion. Atamis 4 years. About $11 billion. Mahama 4 years. About $10 billion. Oga kambom omumienu 8 years. 8 years. Omuba obosia $21 billion. Ekufuor the 8 years. Also obosia $20 billion. As of December 2024. Na Ghana yeka yedi nyina efiri mu resante nkroma mo pen so do bia boboy sa de bisi ne. Na Ghana yeka eda $49.4 billion. That was interestingly. As I'm speaking to you now, what I say? As of June 2025, this is not even September nor July or August. As of June 2025, na Ghana yeka yedi CCIS or minor. A movie of 2024 there no $49.4 billion no. Abedru $54.4 billion. Meaning say just 6 months in office. Mahama Aboka $10 billion. Bosi awaje. Na nse me won say call Singapore no. Omama no $1 billion. What we call Japan, yes, Japan no. Omama no $1 billion. Eno abeka ho. Abeka ho nti beka ho $11 billion eni akiri. Just 7 to 8 months in office. Mahama Bobosia $11 billion. Edu hwemu a. Si break into 4 years ah. President of Ghana kunya so obo Bobosia kese Atamis. Ono se na minimum Atamis project or this can ye. Atamis minimum project. Atamis this Ghana sika ye. Bosia Atamis ko je minimum project ne policy Atamis di baye nto no nko ache Bosia $11 billion 4 years e pay. Just 4 years. 4 years a pay. Just 4 years. Atamis when quite was for $11 billion. Just all this guy here. Atamis is guy here. Oh yeah, day. Atamis this kind of fire day. 4 years in office. Atamis a borrow $11 billion. All this guy here day. 8 months in office. Mahama borrow $11 billion. Says he can't what they are here. Project ibe pan was see. I ain't know. Wakwaje Bosia $11 billion. Ebusa obet ma chere wadwen e wo ho ama me. We ni bebe sia Ghana ye ka ejina. Ye koye ni. The first when you crown kwa we open up Bosia $11 billion. When you crown kwa we yo, when you kwa we. Osoro bebo aye. Obet ma chere wadwen ama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media Accra.